Dear students, the day before yesterday we have done the lesson Gentlemen of Rio in Media. Here, the poet wanted to explain about the natural things and what are the things on the earth. So, the poet John Cedillo was born in New Zealand, Mexico. He lived in southeast of United States. He was a Spanish descent. He was a writer and translator as well as a lawyer and also public servant. So here the poet wanted to explain about the one of the man, Don Anselmo. He was lived in particular place in so he was so many years, 100 years back he was tilling the land. Till means to plow. So here in that time how was Don Anselmo? Don Anselmo was very simple person and he was also farmer and he is always having hand gloves and wearing coat and he can carry the one stick and also then he always having one umbrella. But umbrella is already torn, but it was just like umbrella. So and also his coat is also already worn and dirty. So it was his routine. So when he was going to the office, he chose to give the respect to all and he always lead the life with simple life. Then he was farmer and also he when in his house one of the child was born, then only he can plant one fruit tree. So it is his routine. So he was when he was his family was very greatest businessman. Then he launched in business. Then only ready to sell the land. The land was 8 acres. 8 acres. So and also rest of the area or land belongs to orchard. Orchard means one who grow the only fruit plants. It is called orchard. And also he was ready to sell the land and that time he can fully he thought Senator Cotton he was when he was ready to sell the land, then Americans were ready to take the land. So and also the gentleman wanted to take the land surveys and he brought survey and engineers for the sake of give the accurate land for Americans. The Americans were also very good person and believable persons. So in that time, what was happening? Mr. Gentleman gave 8 acres for $1,200. He has got the money from Americans 1,200. Then the Americans were when they are make the measurement or survey, then above 8 acres some land is there, and also that in between nearby the land there was a stream and a river. So always the trees and grass are always green, so far it looks very nice, and also so many children are playing on the trees. So it was a routine. And now let us learn next point. A month later, my friends had moved into Rio in Media. They had replanted one old house, pruned the trees, patched the fence and moved in summer. One day they came back to the office to complain. The children of the village were overrunning their property. They came every day and played under the trees, built little placed fences around them and took blossoms. When they were spoken to, they only laughed and talked back good naturally in Spanish. Because gentlemen, Mr. Don Anselmo speak Spanish. So when he got when he purchased the land, then those people prepared or replastered the house. The house was wrecked or the house was broken. So far, the purchaser ready to make the repair the house. So in that time, some of the students in summer season, there was a lot of blossoms of the trees and children are ready to play on that trees. So when they got the property owner has complained to Don Anselmo, but these orchards are belongs to children. I sent a messenger up to the mountains for Don Anselmo. It took a week to arrange another meeting. When he arrived, he repeated his previous preliminary performance. He wore the same faded cutaway, carried the same stick, and was accompanied by the boy again. He shook hands all around, sat down with the boy behind his chair, and talked about the weather. Finally, I approached the subject, Don Anselmo, about the rents you sold to these people. They are good people and want to be your good neighbors always. When you sold to them, you signed a document, a deed, and in that deed you agreed to several things. One thing was that they were to have complete possession of the property. Now, Don Anselmo, it seems that every day the children of the village overrun the orchard and spend most of their time there. We would like to know if you, as the most respected man in the village, could not stop them from doing so in order that these people might enjoy their new home more in peace. Don Anselmo stood up. We have all learned to love these Americans. He said, because they are good people and good neighbors, I sold them my property because I knew they were good people, but I did not sell them the trees in the orchard. Here, send. Messenger means Sandesha, pre-planned. They are sent to pre-planned to Don Anselmo. He was, it took a week arrange another meeting. It was while they are the purchaser and buyer make one meeting, and also after 1 week they are managed another one meeting. When he arrived means opposite depart. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, they are always arrival to the repeated his previous preliminary performance ಮತ್ತು ಮೊದಲನೇ ವಿಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಿತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಯೋಜನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಗತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಈ ಓಲ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ವೇಡೆಡ್ ಕಟ್ ವೇ and also Don Anselmo wear the same coat and hat and also hand gloves and also one of the umbrella. These are the common for that person, and also he is also having one stick and accompanied by the boy again. Ali makkalige again ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. He shook hands, shake, shook, shake, shook. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಏನು ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೈಗಳನ್ನ ಮಿಲನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ sat down with the boy behind his chair. The boy was sitting in the chair and also he was sitting behind the chair. And also I talked about weather. ಮತ್ತೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫೈನಲಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್, ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಲ ಪುನಃ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು raising this subject, I want to explain about this subject. Don Anselmo about the rank you sold to these people. Some people are give the complaint to Don Anselmo, but he said, already I have sold, sold. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ ಆಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ have given the land to Americans. Don Anselmo about the ranch you sold to these people, they are good people. The Americans are good people, and also I want be your good neighbors always. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ನೆರೆಹೊರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? neighbors means surrounding area, surrounding population. So when you sold to them, you signed a document. When they are in the register office, they are making the sign for the document, and also in that deed you agree to several things. In the why you was giving the land, some conditions are there in the register office, and also several things will be agreed by Don Anselmo. One thing was that they will have to complete possession. What was the property in the particular area? You may once again check up the land, what it is, and whether it is belongs to your property. Now Don Anselmo, it says that every day in children of the village, the village children are always lived in the orchard. So here, what was happening? Over on the orchard and spend most of their time there. Here, this village children are always spending more time in orchard. So the children are very happy because always children are ready to play with in the trees. We would like to know if you as the most respected man in the village. Here, Don Anselmo he was gentleman, and also all the villagers are respecting from villagers. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಗೌರವವಾಗಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ the village people are give the respect to that. Don Anselmo would not stop them there from doing so in order that those people might enjoy their new home more in peace. Don Anselmo explained, you are enjoying your property and enjoy in your new home. Already the house was wrecked, and so the house was decorated or replastered, then it looks very nice. So far, Don Anselmo said, this is your property, you may enjoy yourself. Don Anselmo stood up. We have all learned to love these Americans, he said, because they are good people and good neighbors. Don Anselmo stand up and say, stand, stood. Stand, stood. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಎದ್ದಿಕೊಂಡು when he get up and said to all the people, we have all learned to love these Americans. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ we must love them, we must praise them, we must cooperate them. We are living in one community. He said, because they are good people, because the Americans are very good people, and also they are neighbors. So I sold them my property because I knew they were good people. Why I was sell the land? Because the Americans are very good people and neighbors. So but I already sold that land to Americans. I knew they were good people, but I did not sell them in trees in the orchard. But he given only 8 acres. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ some fruit trees ಏನಾಗಿದೆ orchard belongs to village children. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅದು ಆ ಮರಗಳು ಆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿತು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ that land was, this orchard was not sold to Americans. So it is very clear, then all the village children are very happy and enjoying enthusiasm. So while we are small children are ready to go out and play with natural, it is very quite happy. So far the gentleman of Rio in India, he was, this story is tells us about the how we give the land and how to purchase the land. All the things are explained by John A. Sedillo. So we must recognize and summarize the lesson. Which are the characters in this lesson? What are the things are contained in the lesson? 1 acre is equal to 40 gunta. 1 acre acres is equal to 40 gunta. ಸೊ 1 ಎಕರೆ ಅಂದರೆ 40 ಗುಂಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು 1 ಎಕರೆ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 8 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 8 32 320 ಗುಂಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಜಮೀನು ಮೊತ್ತವನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ನರು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಗಿಡಗಳನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಸ್ಮರಣೆಗಾಗಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನೆನಪಿಗಾಗಿ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಜನಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒಂದು ಮರವನ್ನು ನೆಟ್ಟು ಅವನು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮರದಿಂದ ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಮರಗಳಾಗುವವರೆಗೆ ಅವನು ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ಅವನು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.